Welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel, and today we're going to show you how to use the VLOOKUP feature. VLOOKUP is the most practical and most used function in Excel. Interested in how VLOOKUP works? So let's not waste time and let's show you. The VLOOKUP function is most useful when we have more data in a table in which we need to look up certain information on a regular basis. Today we will look at how to calculate the sales of fruit sold on a particular day. First, we will choose the cell in which we want to display the result. In our case, it's the cell next to the bananas. We enter the equal sign and then type VLOOKUP to click on the proposed function. Now for the function to work properly, we need to enter more data. First, we need to enter an indication of what Excel should look for the information we need to find. In our case, bananas. In cell H3 we have bananas. We click on this cell. This cell will be included in the formula. The next piece of information that Excel will need is the area in which it will be stored. It is important to note here that for the VLOOKUP function to work properly, we need to have the information stored correctly. This means that the information you are looking for must be to the left of the information you want to find. So the fruit column must be on the left and the column where we want to look for specific days will be on the right. Now we mark the whole table because we are inserting the area in which we want to store the data. We will add a comma. Excel now needs the column number that contains the information we want to find. The standard column numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4. Since we want to find the area where it is Friday, we enter the number 4. Enter a comma. We're going to enter the last entry in our formula. Now our formula requires one of the words, true, or false. If we were to enter true, Excel will give us an approximate value. We have that as the default option. If we want to look up the exact value, we enter false. We want Excel to look up the exact value based on the day. So we use false. Click enter and we're done. Excel will look up the exact value we were looking for. If we want to copy the formula to other rows, we simply click on the cell where we have already entered the formula and drag the bottom right corner of the cell to all the rows where we want the formula to be. We are done. We have the search value calculated in all rows. It was easy, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, let us know via comment or like. Are you interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes, and I hope to see you in the next video.